What I wish I knew at first instead of judging by smell. Stick with me, and I'll prove bad smells hide big rewards. Durian doesn't taste like gym socks, it's custardy and rich. Durian, notorious pong but creamy almond-like heaven. Jackfruit smells funky when ripe yet bites like sweet chewy pineapple banana. Stinky tofu. Okay, that's not a fruit. Tamarillo smells a little sharp and tastes like a tangy tropical tomato. Noni fruit, terrible aroma, medicinal, but loved in smoothies by some. Moral: don't trust your nose alone, try small bites, rinse your palate. And you might discover a new favorite.